Young lives filled with fun and folly, crazy days and wild nights, not a care in sight. The futures of nameless angels seem so endless, like a prairie horizon, limitless and flowing. Their names will never be forgotten. Though their honor died in vain, the legacy of their pain shall forever remain lost in translation, bound and enslaved to reign for all eternity, deprived of rightful dignity, tied to letters, the confessions of murderers. Too many months, too many years, too many decades cannot conceal this tragedy. The desecration of history now casts a shadowy stain that reaches through the years and plagues the country's devotion. The name torn and frayed, weakened and beaten by spell-binding possession, awakening to a vicious nightmare that seems deceivingly flirtatious. Nothing but the sweet sorrow of memory lane will lead to the cleansing of this inescapable catalyst. 1 second, 1 breath, 1 blink of an eye that refused to reopen. Manifestation, infestation, a nation ruled by oppression. Desecration is what brought this hell to fruition. The ties that bind truth to lies is the only salvation.